So whose footprint was it? You guys are so smart, you guessed it right away. It was Hulk.
Great job.
Now I'm gonna list the names of the people that got it first. Great job, guys. Now on to the story to solve the mystery. Hey, wait a minute. I remember what happened.
Hulk need a room. Hulk tired. Otherwise, I'm gonna smash this place.
I had no choice but to let him stay.
Thank you.
I also remember Mr. Fix-It dropping off a barrel of slime.
Do. Better drop this off for my fix-it repair jobs.
I also remember somebody telling me that Hulk sleepwalks.
Hulk. Smash.
He must have walked over to the garage, picked it up,
Harry.
and tripped on the fallen sign.
Hulk.
Wow, that's amazing that you remembered all that. Yeah, it is. Looks like we solved the mystery. There, it's all cleaned up. Here you go, Mr. Fix-It.
Thank you.
Beep, beep. Well, looks like everything's back to normal in Busy Town. Thanks for all your help, guys, in solving the mystery. Well, it's time to go to bed. Whoa, what was that sound? I better go down and take a look. Whoa! This place is trashed. What happened? Do you see any clues that could tell us what happened? Leave a comment below and tell us what you think happened. Do you see any clues? Please help us with this mystery, and you could be mentioned in the next video.